Hello, my name is Johan from restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to restore this retro Biopace, Shimano Biopace triple crankset. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And now back to the task at hand. I really, for some reason, I have a penchant for Biopace cranksets. They were made from 1983 up to 1993, and they kind of make a resurgence now with the oval chain rings becoming more popular. I believe that even there was a Tour de France winner using oval chain rings. This one was dirty and is from 1989 from my Koga Miyata Adventure restoration project, and was so dirty I actually needed to clean the holes with a toothpick for the Allen key to fit in. I didn't have a chain ring, how do you call it? A chain ring nut remover, so I had to make one DIY. But the chain ring was, the bolts were seized so shut that I actually bent this little 5 euro cent. But a little WD-40 did the trick and got me to remove the chain ring bolts or nuts or whatever. And then it was up to me to clean them. I always have a certain process for cleaning bicycle parts that have grease on them or are as dirty as these parts, which is to use mineral spirits. I reuse it. That's why it's so black. And they do the job fantastically. So I've never used anything else. Then this, I immediately went to the polishing step. There was just a slight oxidation on the crankset. I have another restoration video about restoring a crankset which has been severely damaged and scratched up. That was not the case with this one. So I used the polishing steps, 4 steps, 2 steps with a cutting compound and 2 with a polishing compound. And this is actually after the first step. So after this one, 3 extra polishing steps were made. These are all the clean parts, and before reassembling the crankset, I make sure that the bolts are greased so they won't seize up again, or at least the risk of doing so is diminished or minimized. And one small tip is to always, before disassembling parts, to make videos or to make a photo about how the part is assembled. I needed that because I reassembled the parts wrongly. But finally I got it to work out fine, and this is the end result. So I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.